สบายดีจากเลอป่าแดกท่านี่แซ่บหลายประทับใจหลายบรรยากาศจะดีเข้าใจHi everyone, today I'm taking you to Le Padaek, one of the most beautiful and authentic Lao restaurants in Vientiane. It's actually my first time coming here, and as soon as I walked in, I could already feel the warm and relaxing Lao atmosphere. On the left-hand side, you will see pictures and descriptions of the food. I really like this part because it helps foreigners understand the ingredients and learn more about traditional Lao dishes. Many of these dishes are popular not only in Luang Prabang but all over Laos. Le Padaek was born in May 2019 in a secret garden. A large wooden door marks the simple entrance. Go through it to discover the restaurant's dreamlike setting. Padeak in Lao is very important ingredient when cooking Lao food. The owners have put le before Padeak to add a deliberate French note, as they intend their restaurant to have both a Lao and international feel to it. Sayasone and Ketsavanh Panyathip are the proud owners of Le Padaek. This restaurant illustrates their passion for Lao culture and demonstrates the high quality of Lao cuisine. It also shows their desire to pass on the pride of their national dishes to the next generation. They made the decision to open their Lao restaurant in their hometown first and hope to go global in a few years, starting in Europe. The restaurant is located in Na Sai village, which is really the heart of the capital city, Vientiane. Clients feel relaxed and at home in the Le Padek's wonderful surroundings of water and lotus ponds. It is a very eco and family-friendly restaurant with reasonable prices. Wow! เขากำใหญ่โอ้ว้าวそう The garden area is absolutely lovely. There is a small pond, a red torii gate, and lots of beautiful lanterns. There is even a Japanese ramen restaurant next door. But today we are eating at the Lao one on the right-hand side, which also has a nice balcony with outdoor seating. They also added 4 white ducks recently, which add to the ambience. We ordered Luang Prabang sausage, mok kai, which is a steamed chicken wrapped in banana leaves, sticky rice and tamak hung, Lao-style papaya salad, all paired with wine. And for dessert, we had coconut sticky rice ice cream. It's super delicious. The food cost us around 620,000 kip, and the wine was about 850,000 kip. There are seats both inside and outside, all beautifully decorated with bamboo baskets. If you sit outside, you might notice a few mosquitoes, but the staff are very thoughtful. They provided mosquito repellent made by Le Padaek themselves. I really love this place. The food, the atmosphere, and the staff are all amazing. If you are visiting Vientiane and want to experience authentic Lao flavors in a beautiful setting, I highly recommend Le Padaek. I will definitely come back again. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more food and travel stories from Laos.この音楽も好き。
ああ、ラオミュージ
そうそうそうそう。おどんจำปาそうโตน้ำเป็นอย่างก็ไม่ปิ่นโตน้ำนะ
これランチボックス
そうそうそうそうそうそう楽しいこれねいいな
王様と
そうそう